First of all, Mr. Alex, write down my name. My name is Officer John Will. Your case ID number is B as in Delta, C as in Charlie. That's 28962. Thank you for holding the line. Mr. Alex, can you tell me one thing? Are you self-employed or work for a company? So, Mr. Alex, the reason behind this call is to inform you about a legal lawsuit that has been filed against your name by the HMRC in case of tax fraud and tax evasion. Okay? So
Right.
regarding this case, do you want me to brief this case to you or not? Please do not interrupt me while I'm reading this information for you and listen to me very carefully, okay, Mr. Alex? Yeah, do not get disconnect this line, okay? All right, Mr. Alex, what happened here? The HMRC used to conduct an audit on every citizen tax every 5 years. Okay, so when we audited your tax filing, we found out a couple of errors and miscalculation on your tax filing, which means that the income which has been declared by you to the government and the actual income was getting credited in your bank account differs. And this judgment has been passed by the official HMRC as the records are different than what was reported on your tax return. So, Mr. Alex, we're not denying the fact that you did not file your tax. You did file your tax on time, but not in the right amount. That is the reason HMRC raised 3 allegations under your name.
Okay.
Count 1, violation of tax. There are 3 allegations under your name that are violation of tax regulation, count 2, violation of HMRC code, count 3, theft by deception. Okay?
Right.
The auditor have found out of couple error and miscalculation since 2014 to 2020. Okay? So under section 104, the amount you owe to the HMRC, including unpaid taxes and penalties as well as interest, is £4,986, which is outstanding by you, Mr. Alex, which is not paid by you.
Sorry, how much
Okay.
is it outstanding?
So-
4,986.
No, that's £4,986, which is outstanding by you, okay? The
Right.
auditor have found some calculation since 2014 to 2020. That is the grand total in between.
Okay.
So at this point, HMRC declared to forcefully recover this amount from you by making lien all your personal assets, including your house and car, or your bank will be froze and will be confiscated till this case been resolved inside the courthouse. So, Mr. Alex, my job is here to give you information of this case before I downloaded this case inside the courthouse. Once I downloaded this case inside the courthouse, your local police department will reach you and serve you all legal paperwork and court summons and court subpoena and warrant of arrest as they will detaining you for a questioning. So can you just tell me, Mr. Alex? Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here. You told me not to speak.
Hello? Are you there? So before I download this case, I would like to give you some comment about this. I want to know why you have done this. It's intentionally or it's a case of oversight.
Yeah, there was no intention there at all. Is there a way I can just pay this back without
Okay,
going
so-
through the court proceedings?
Mr. Alex, see, as I can see, there are 3 allegations under your name. So can you just tell me what are your positive intention regarding this case? Can you just tell me, sir?
Yeah, I'd
may I
like to
know
get it
your
resolved. I'd like to get it
positive intention?
resolved.
Do you Let me transfer your call to the authorized person,
Okay.
to our senior officer. They will make you understand. They will make you understand. They will help you out from this situation. Don't worry about it, Mr. Alex.
Okay.
I know you are the honest person.
I'm sure
Okay.
you're an honest person
Okay.
too.
Your call has been connected to Senior Officer Frank Gibson from Queen's Bench Division of the High Court.
Yeah, hi. The guy was mentioning I've got some outstanding money that I need to pay.
First of all, can you just go ahead and can you just verify me your case ID? That's a correct case ID. Now, are you getting a call on your number? Just look at your caller ID.
I am, yes.
As you have verified the right case ID, just answer that phone call. That is from Queen's Bench Division of the High Court. I will be connected to you with that recorded session. Answer it.
Okay.
All right. Now look at your caller ID and just look at the number that you're talking to me on. Okay.
Okay.
Are both the numbers same? Have you been given a call from Queen's Bench Division of the High Court? Just confirm it from your end.
Yes, it's the same number.
All right. Make sure judge and jury members are listening to this conversation. Your local police department is on a three-way conference. Okay. Just be honest to me over this recorded session. Okay.
The police
And first of
department are
all,
here as well.
Now,
Are they speaking?
see, making a payment is not at all what you have to do. You have to clear what you owe and you have to attend a counseling session as well. Can you just go ahead and read first paragraph and the second paragraph? While you're reading it, read a bit louder, go slow, and try to understand. You can start reading first paragraph and the second paragraph. So can you tell me from which bank would you like to clear the outstanding amount, which is £4,986?
HSBC.
And is there any other bank else apart from HSBC?
I've got a Barclays.
And is there any other bank else apart from HSBC and Barclays?
No, that's it.
All right, but as you're willing to make a payment from HSBC, you have to visit your bank. So can you tell me how far is your bank?
Well, I'll just do online banking.
You cannot go ahead and you cannot do an online banking because see, even if you're ready to make a payment and as we haven't updated your bank people, in order to make sure you really are a genuine person, you really are a law-abiding citizen, all what you have to do is you have to dress up and you have to reach your bank, okay? So that you can go ahead and you can make a payment for the outstanding amount.
Yeah, hi,
Yes,
this is
hello,
Alex.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Alex, I appreciate your time and patience, but they didn't give me an approval to do an online banking. You have to visit your bank branch.
I am
You
not
have to
going
do that
out
as
to
of
my
now.
bank. I'm not going to my bank because I'll do it. If I do a
alright, so
transfer
Alex,
at my bank, I can
Alex.
do a transfer here at home.
See, you do have to understand there is a difference between making a payment straight away from your net banking and visiting your bank branch. Because once you visit your bank branch, what you just have to make sure I will go ahead and certainly provide you the information. Okay? Because making a payment for a case where you have serious allegation like violation of tax regulation, violation of HMRC code is not at all easy. And as I told you, the account details that you're going to be getting will be an excluded account. Okay? So while you put the details online, there is a chance the payment won't be made from your bank people. They will not authorize the payment. All right. So best way to make sure the payment gets approved from your end is to visit your bank branch. Okay.
I promise
And if
you
it
now,
doesn't
I
happen,
have the
if you-
funds to make
if-
a high transfer.
See-
I do high
See,
transfers
Alex,
each day.
let me tell you what. Alex, let me tell you what. If the case that you have was all about money, the HMRC can shut down your bank account and they can snatch each and every single pence and pound that you have in your account. But it's not about the money that you owe to HMRC. You are making a payment to prove yourself as an honest person. And if you want to do that, better get ready, get a pen and a piece of paper.
I am
Let the
more
line
than
be
happy
open,
to
get
send a
inside your
transfer
car.
from here. I will send a transfer from my online banking. I've got it in front of
See,
me.
Alex, I'm really sorry. I have got a refusal for that. Okay, you cannot make a payment
Why?
from HSBC. You have to visit your bank branch because this
Why?
is the way how you're going to resolve this case. Okay, if you're looking for a resolvement, you need to get ready and you need to visit your bank branch. All right.
If I go, what do I need to do when I get to the bank?
See, first of all, you do not have to hang up the phone call. The line has to be open all the time. Okay, so just get inside your car. Once you're inside the car, let me know. Till the line will be open.
What do I need to do when I go to my bank? Do I need to transfer?
I beg your pardon?
What do I need to
Yeah,
do?
all right, that's correct. See, I will certainly go ahead and I will provide you the details, okay, once you reach your bank, okay? You just have to tell me that, yes, I've reached my bank at that point of time. As I've asked you to get a pen and a piece of paper, I will give you the name of the solicitor, I will give you a sort code and account number.
Oh, yeah, I can do that from here.
Okay?
I do high transaction,
See,
the transfers all
But
day,
I
every
told
day.
you, Alex, but I told you, the type of account that you're going to make a payment is going to be an excluded account. And yet the banks are not that smart enough to verify such accounts. And if they cannot verify such account, they will refuse or you cannot go ahead and make a payment. It will show in your receipt that yes, the payment has been done, but the money won't be received by the solicitor. And if that happens, I believe you understand. If the money isn't been received, it's not the government's fault because I told you, if you visit your bank branch, you can go ahead and you can clear what you owe to the government. Or else, I'm really sorry.
Look, dude, I'm in a wheelchair. It's a lot of hassle to go to the bank. I am more than happy to make a transfer right now.
And how about your Barclays? Can you just get the details for your Barclays? Because if you are ready to make a payment, you can straight away make a payment from your Barclays. You can do an online transfer from Barclays, but not from your HSBC. So let the line be open and just look for the details.
This is
And if you
ludicrous.
get the details, let me know.
So you can do it for Barclays, but you can't HSBC.
See, Mr. Alex, as I told you, the law isn't in my hand. I'm just a puppet who can let you know what has to be done and what has not to be done. And as per that, you have to make sure
Okay,
you're ready to make
give
an
me 1
online
second.
payment
Give me
and
1
online
second.
All right, I'm holding the line for you.
Yeah, all right.
See, first of all, do you see add a new payee?
Oh, yeah, there it is. Yes.
All right, just click on it.
Okay.
And once you click on it, what are they asking you for now?
The name.
Are they asking you for account type, business or personal?
Where is it? Yeah, yes, business or personal. That's correct.
Just click on personal.
Personal. Okay.
All right, now, what after you select on personal, what information are they asking you for? We'll go step by step, okay?
There's something about fraud and crime.
What after that?
Name, number. Where is it? Account number.
All right. First of all, did you select personal? Account type personal?
Yes, you told me to select personal.
Okay. And what below that? What are they asking you for?
It came up with a list. So it's saying for the sort code.
Okay. They're asking you the sort code.
Sort code and account number and name of the account.
And the name, right?
Yeah, name of the account.
Okay, just put the name. Just put the name for the solicitor.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I will spell his first name to you. It's S as in sugar. Okay, so put the sort code.
Yep.
It's 77.
And the next bit.
That's correct. Now put the account number.
Yep.
It's 00.
Yeah, it's saying that it's gone through.
All right. Does it show in your recent that you made a payment for £4,986?
Yes. Yes, it does.
All right. Can you just take a screenshot for that?
Yeah. Let me get my phone.
Just take not a problem. Just take a screenshot for that, and soon enough I will give you a very certified email address. Okay. And all what you have to do is you have to send that picture.
Very certified.
To that certified email address. Okay. So once you get the picture, let me know. See, I will give you a very certified email address. Okay. Make sure the alphabets are going to be in small. Better make a note of it.
Okay.
And just note it down, and then you can send that, or you can just attach that picture with that email address, and you can send that to me, okay? So just make a note of the certified email address.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yet I haven't received any picture or any mail from your end. Can you just get back and can you check whether the email has been sent or not?
Thank you for the bank details, scammer. I'll be closing that account right now.
Fuck you.
You
Fuck you, son of a bitch.
Try and scam me, you knob. There he goes. Beautiful. Another account. Fantastic.